is no limit to how creative a human's mind can get. We have seen drones that can save lives to storm alert devices, but have you ever wondered if any inventions can make your life at home easier? Well, lucky for you, because there are a lot. From homemade air conditioners to automatic door locks, there is a DIY solution for all your problems. Additionally, not just that these inventions function with the same efficiency, but they are also cheap and easy to put together. In today's video, we will go through 10 incredible tech homemade inventions that blew our minds. Number 10. DIY air conditioning. Who doesn't want to come home to a chilled room after a sunny and exhausting day? If yes, this crazy idea to make your air conditioner at home is definitely for you. Grab a pair of batteries, along with pair of batteries, a switch, and a motor, and fix it all together. Next, take an empty jar, punch different holes throughout its cap, and attach a mini fan. Moving on, fill the jar in its half with ice and cut out a hole at its front. Move ice and cut out a hole at its front. Put the lid and the batteries back on the jar and attach a plastic extension to the jar's front. Now sit back. Let the cold air hit your face and put you at ease. Number 9. Automatic lock. How many times have you stepped out of your house and then remembered that you might have forgotten to lock the door? Well, we have been there a lot and know how it feels to constantly worry about whether your house is safe or not. But this next automatic door lock homemade invention is here to make our lives easier. Grab a block of wood and attach a powered motor and a doorknob. Secondly, attach a pair of batteries and an electric chip to the wood block. Fix a screw to the doorknob and the other end to the motor, and that's all. You now have a motorized lock that you can operate with a single click, so you won't ever have to worry about not locking your door correctly again. Number 8. DIY multi-purpose charger. Gotten a broken toy car nearby? Grab its wheel and the battery because we have an epic idea to make your cell phone charger out of it. Glue the battery and wheel together and drill 6 holes in a piece of wood. Now secure the tire and battery against the wood block and attach 2 different cords. Grab the front end of a flashlight and attach the other 2 cords to it. To finish things off, grab a simple USB socket and attach it to the remaining ends of the cords. And there you have it, a smart little gadget that you can easily attach to your bicycle wheel and enjoy as your cell phone charges. Number 7. Portable phone charger. Don't throw that broken toy car away because this next idea allows you to charge your phone using your leg movements during a run. So if you like going on long runs and jogs, this gadget is the one for you. Grab the car's servo motor and attach it to a USB socket. Fix both units against a plastic ruler, then take another ruler, bend it so it is flexible for your leg movement, and glue it on. Make sure you are trying precise measurements before bending the ruler. Strap the device to your leg beside your knee and thigh, and there you have it. Run as much as you want to while your cell phone enjoys good recharge. Number 6. DIY pump. Sodas are the highlights of every party. However, they often end up being spilled. You can stop this from happening by introducing this effective soda pouring system at your parties. Grab a mini water pump and a pair of batteries. Drill 2 different holes in the soda cap and enter a mini pipe in the bottle and the water pump on the other. And that's all. You now have this efficient soda bottle at your snacks bar that pours the soda without getting messy. Number 5. DIY air pump. Talking about parties, we all know how tiring blowing up all those balloons can be. They are crucial for setting up the atmosphere for any party, so you cannot skip on them. However, you can always make things a little easier by adding some DIY. Take a mini water pump and attach a plunger to it. Next, glue a pair of batteries on the side of the pump with a switch. Pull the balloon on the plunger, flip the switch on, and watch how the balloon fills up with air in a few seconds. Number 4. DIY alarm. We all have been there where we forgot to turn off the tap and ended up wasting a lot of water. No matter how vigilant you are about it, it happens every once in a while. But what if we can get you a gadget that reminds you to turn off the water? It would be fantastic, right? So grab your tools and let's get working. First up, find a Piero alarm buzzer and glue it to a battery. Now cut the opening part of the plastic straw and pull a screw through it. Next, glue 2 soda bottle caps together and attach them to the pointed part of the screw. Once that's done, latch the unit to the battery and fix it on your bathtub or sink to position the glued caps downwards. Every time the water reaches over the caps, the screw will push forward, causing the alarm buzzer to go off and remind you to turn off the tap. However, make sure to remove it from the tub before taking a bath. Number 3. Automatic switch operator. Have you ever been in those positions where you have gotten all cozy and comfortable in your blanket, but forgot to switch off the light? We know how tough it is to get out of your bed at such times, which is why we have brought you this feisty little device that allows you to switch off your lights without leaving your bed. Take a magnetic bar and attach a battery, a motor, and a remote control circuit. Glue the cords to the battery and the motor and attach a metal handle to the screw of the motor. And you are done. Place the device beside the switch, so the handle is positioned right above the switch. You can easily switch the lights on or off using the remote control. Number 2. DIY security system. Imagine sitting on your couch, watching your favorite show, and suddenly you hear footsteps approaching you. You panic and you run, right? Right, but what if we attach an alerting device on the door that rings every time someone unlocks the door? It will at least give you a few minutes to prepare for your defense. Take a motor and glue 2 cords to it. Now take 2 push pins and glue each on the end of the cord. Next, take a magnet patch and position it above the push pins. Once that is done, take a few magnets and shove them in an empty syringe. Attach the pushpin unit on the end of the syringe and glue the entire thing to a battery. Latch the device on top of the door handle so the buzzer will ring whenever someone turns it. Number 1. Hamster-powered charging station. Do you have one of those handheld mini fans lying around? If yes, then don't throw it away because we have got a crazy idea about how to turn it into a manual-powered charger. So get those gloves on and let's get working. Take out the motor from the fan and save it for later. Attach a semicircular wood block to a horizontal one and drill a hole into it. Place a turning wheel on the wood block and glue the motor and a USB socket on the horizontal block. Glue the socket and motor cords together, and there you have it. The only thing left to do is grab the hamster and let it run on the tuning wheel. Plug any of your devices into the socket and let the hamster do the rest. The list of such tools goes on and on. But that's all for today's video. If you like this video, click the like and the bell buttons. Also, to stay notified, subscribe to our channel and let us know in the comments section below what else you would like to see from us. We'll have another video for you soon. Take care until then.